Life is about who walks with you in the rain where they could stay dry. Whatever you decide to do, make sure it makes you happy. If it makes you happy, no one else's opinion should matter. No matter how much it hurts now, one day you will look back and realize it changed your life for the better. The happiest people don't have the best of everything, they just make the best of everything. The more you own who you are, the less you need others to approve of it. The calmer you are, the clearer you think. Move with strategy, not with emotions. Your silence doesn't mean you have nothing to say. It means you have learned what's worth your energy. There is not enough room in your mind for both worry and faith. You must decide which one gets to live here. Stop stressing. Take a deep breath. Everything will be okay. You can do this.